we are, it's 10 o'clock right now and we are again on the Knysna island. We want to do our boat cruise. It's a boat and looks like that is only 3 of us. People, they are eating and now we are getting ready. Here it is. If you want to book, you can book at this place. They give very good deals also. Hey, my son is getting ready. So this is our boat and we came from that side. That was a place I was showing you before. So this is our boat. Okay, only one person, no, one person, half person, 1.5% can swim.
Yeah, go fast.
Wait, Auntie, we're talking fast. Banale.
So here we can't drive fast.
Okay.
Yeah, so
They
we have
slow,
to drive
okay?
a bit slow because we've got seahorses here and we don't want to kill them.
Okay.
Yeah, so Knysna's got about 17% of the world's seahorses. And
Okay.
in that building over there, that's the Sandparks building. You can walk in there whenever. Like, in fact, after the cruise, you can go walk in there. They've got a tank with seahorses in it.
Oh yeah, we saw yesterday.
You see?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice, yeah.
It's a small one. It's
Small.
a small tank.
Small, yeah.
But you can see small seahorses.
Exactly. Sometimes they're hiding, but you're very lucky.
Oh yeah.
Can you see that
I have no idea.
When you phone someone,
that
then
entrance?
it brings the lagoon inside, isn't it?
That after that there is a sea. So lagoon is basically a small entrance of water from the mountain and that doesn't have much
You can just start your cruise.
waves. That's the lagoon. That's how it is. You can see how far we are from the Knysna island now. And it's beautiful, it's very nice. Oh, we're enjoying it. It's very, water is cold though. That's other side of this mountain.
Very nice.
It's Benton on the
We get our
beach, I think so. I will check the name exactly. But look at this boat. My God, how fast it is. Oh, it's coming straight from the sea. So now we are going back. That's the restaurant.
Like this is the Knysna here. It's gorgeous yet very dangerous. These waves here can create a roll wave or a small tsunami of about 7 meters high under 3 seconds.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, so this is one of 2 places in the whole world that don't have insurance when you go out to sea. From that lighthouse and across, there's no insurance on the other side. So currently we don't have insurance.
Oh.
But we're fine, yeah. So it's like basically it doesn't have insurance because like what if you go on the other side, whatever you go do there, it's like you're asking for it because like your chances of anything happening to you like increase. So but so we've got the tip of that rock. We've got a shipwreck called the Pikita shipwreck.
Okay.
From 1904. It was a German shipwreck.
Pirates and Caribbean ship. But my son was a bit tired. We were unable to do it. But that's actually nice. At least now we are doing the one which is really worth for money. You can see there. But yeah, it's nice experience. I think so everybody should come if they are coming to Knysna. It's worth spend money on it. We spent almost I don't remember, my husband paid, but I think so it was more than 1500 rand to do this boat ride. But trust me, it's really worth it. So there we go, we are back now,
Oysters also they do
back
it,
to the place where we
but you can
started.
also get them at fresh time fishing.
But it's a very beautiful place.
Almost every place in Knysna has oysters.
People obviously who's from South Africa, they are visiting. People who's not from South Africa, they must make a plan after watching my videos, if you can.
Oh, oh yes.
Okay, go. Other side of the Knysna Island, where we have rivers as the roads. You can see people, they are coming on their boat, and then there is a deck, so you can park your boat there, then your way to your house. So there is no road for their houses, you can only go through the boats, or I don't know what other ways if you don't have boat. But you can see people, they're using the boats as their cars. And that's how Knysna Island is. Oh, you can go, I think so. There is one car going over the bridge. So I think that there's two ways, but most of the people I saw here, they are just going on their boats. Everyone, they have their own boats, and they even park. And see there, then this boat house, these ones that you can see, you can also do it in Joburg as well. There is much cheaper on the Wall River. We stayed for one night. You can stay for more than one night, and you can do your fishing also. Here is a bit expensive. We will maybe try next time when we get time. At this time, that's the only thing. So this is the Knysna Island, and you can see how beautiful it is. Wow, I love it. And you know, boats, they are coming and going, people, they are doing the activities. That's the good and nice part of it.